working from home, telecommuting, remoting in. Whatever you call it, powering up the laptop to tackle tasks from your couch is becoming the new normal. Here are 5 ways to stay focused when you're working from home. Number 1, have a dedicated workspace. Whether you have a sprawling home or a nook in your kitchen, it's important to have a dedicated office. Even urban dwellers with limited square footage should carve out a spot that's just for work. Much like your bed should be reserved for sleeping, your workspace should be for working. Number 2, stay off social media. A quick scroll on Instagram can turn into a major time suck, but there are ways to avoid temptation. One of our favorite productivity hacks is an app called Stay Focused. It's available on your phone, and there's also a Google Chrome extension that lets you set specific time restrictions on certain websites. Once your time has been used up, the sites you have selected to block can't be accessed for the remainder of the day. Number 3, dress for success. Having a morning routine, meaning brushing your teeth and changing out of your pajamas, is crucial. It's about setting a professional mindset, even if you're just switching to yoga pants. Number 4, create a schedule. Your calendar should work the way you do. That means if you're a type A and love to have every minute planned, go ahead and fill up your day, even penciling in break times. If you're more of a to-do list follower though, write up a game plan and cross things off as you go. And regardless of your style, make sure the way your day is scheduled is a reflection of your natural energy. If your work requires hours of focus, stacking your meetings before or after lunch, then using that critical meal to shift tasks, can train others to respect your time and productivity too. And they'll notice and appreciate the results. Number 5, get the right tools for the job. Just like having the right desk and high-speed Wi-Fi makes work go smoothly, so does choosing the right hosting package when you run your own website from home. DreamHost has options for every type of site to make that part of your job as seamless as possible. Thank you for watching, and for more helpful tips on how to work from home, go to dreamhost.com/blog.